Have you experienced an issue with the blower motor speed selection on a Chevrolet Suburban? Or any of the others listed here? The most likely problem is the blower motor resistor has failed and will require replacement. Another common problem is the electrical connector to the blower motor resistor may have a short causing the socket connection to melt. GPD has the answer. The 171175 is a replacement electrical connector that comes with the same color coding as the wiring harness and includes heat shrink over the butt connectors. All you need to do is cut the old electrical connector out, match the wire colors together, then crimp the lines. Finally, using a heat source, heat the heat shrink connectors to waterproof them. The 751173.5 directly fits the front blower resistor, both the manual and automatic air conditioning systems. This is a 2-hole mount, comes complete with foam gasket. The 171197.6 directly fits the front blower resistor, both the manual and automatic air conditioning systems. This is a 4-hole mount, comes complete with foam gasket. For more tech tips, visit gpdtechtips.com.